Welcome to the Koenig kitchen, where we slice and dice at the prices. Today is Halloween, and we're gonna make a butternut squash in the oven and some spooky spaghetti. For the butternut squash, we're gonna need one big butternut squash, oil, salt, and pepper. And now, depending on your taste, we're gonna need either thyme or herbs de Provence. And for the spooky spaghetti, we're just gonna need a pack of spaghetti and 2 spoons of sugar. That being said, my darlings, let's move straight into the kitchen, shall we?
First, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then, we will cut off the ends of the butternut squash. Now, for the next part, you'll need all your might. Split it in half. After that, take a knife and a teaspoon and scoop out all those seeds. We don't need them and we're not gonna use them. And if any strings remain, cut them with a knife. Now it's ready for preparation. Take some oil and rub the sides of the butternut squash. Any oil will do, but the best would be olive oil. Then, let's add our salt, after that our pepper, and now, on one side we're gonna add thyme, and on the other we're gonna add herbs de Provence. That's just to diversify the taste. And the squash is ready to bake. Put it in a tray and then put it into the oven to bake or roast for about 50 minutes to 1 hour. You know it's ready when it starts getting soft and easy to poke. For the spaghetti, take a pot of water and put it to boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low or medium and add salt. And a lot of salt. Enough to make it taste like salt water. Now, let's take our spaghetti, and after we get the amount we want, we will twist them and then drop them into the pot of water. Slowly push them inside into the water and let them boil for about 9 to 10 minutes. You don't want them al dente, but you don't want them very soft either. Now, take the spaghetti and drain them into a sieve. And make sure that there's no water in them. Even let them rest for about 1 minute or 2 to make sure that the water is completely out. Now preparation. We'll take our sugar and we'll put the spaghetti in the bowl. Now we're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar and mix. Did I say 2 spoons of sugar? I meant 2.5, for me at least. Now mix everything together and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!
You're still among us, I see. But we've reached the end of the road right now. So let's not waste any more time and just get into it. Just as it should be. Let's see how it tastes. See?
This is the problem. A serial killer faces all the time. But let's see. Let's taste the one with thyme as well, so you can get an opinion about how this one is as well. This is a very nice light meal. I can tell you from the get-go, the side with thyme has a much stronger flavor. This one has a more wholesome flavor. It's a bit more milder, but you can feel the sweetness a bit more. All in all, they're actually pretty good. They make great side dishes and they're pretty good meals in themselves. Very light, very much resembles sweet potato. Very good. Now, we're gonna finish this one later, but let's jump to the dessert as well. I'm actually curious as I have not tried this dessert in quite many years, but it's something simple and maybe a bit weird and spooky for Halloween. You know, guys, it actually has the same taste I remember from my childhood. I wasn't expecting it to taste exactly the same, but it is. It's weirdly, I know it looks like a monstrosity. The Italian viewers are probably gonna kill me, but it's really good. It's not nearly as sweet as you'd expect it to be. And yeah, I think I could easily finish this entire bowl of spaghetti. It has a mild sweetness to it. Kind of doesn't hit you very hard. It's actually quite good. I love it. That being said, thank you guys for joining us for this Halloween special. And as always, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Till next time.